Okay, fine. So I am Salil Dutt. I am from the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, and I would say that this summit is very timely. Today we are looking for a summit like this where we can collaborate with people, with the experts, academicians, industry guys and ministries to work together towards wider adoption of digitalization Industry 4.0 in the industries. My overall feedback for this summit is it's an excellent opportunity, very well organized. The content was very nicely covered. It covers almost all the dimensions which an industry is looking for digitalization Industry 4.0. I would say that digitalization, we have recently seen a lot of application for digitalization Industry 4.0, especially during COVID time. We have seen surge of various startups, people moving on e-commerce sites. So overall situation and the ecosystem looks very good, very promising for Indonesia. And with the President Jokowi's vision, I think making Indonesia 4.0 is going to happen very soon.